In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log into HostGator. Whether you're new to web hosting or just need a quick refresher on accessing your HostGator account, I've got you covered with step-by-step guidance to ensure a smooth login process. To kick things off, the first step you'll want to take is to open your web browser and navigate to the HostGator website. Simply type in the URL or search for HostGator in your preferred search engine. Once you're on the main page, you'll notice the website's friendly and colorful layout, making it easy to find your way around. Next, direct your attention to the top right corner of the page. You'll see a Sign In button there. Go ahead and click on it. This will redirect you to the Login Options page, where you can access different areas of your HostGator account. Once you've landed on the Login Options page, look for the Portal option and click on it. This selection will take you to the HostGator Customer Portal login page, which serves as the main entry point for all your hosting management tasks. At this point, you'll be prompted to enter your user ID. Carefully input your details in the designated field. After entering your user ID, click Next. Follow any additional prompts that may appear to complete the login process, ensuring you have seamless access to your dashboard. Make sure you have your login credentials handy to avoid any delays. Now, if you haven't created a HostGator account yet, don't worry. Getting started is simple. At the bottom of the login page, look for a Get Started Now button and click on it. This option will guide you through the account creation process in just a few easy steps. To create a new account, you'll be prompted to select a hosting plan that best suits your needs. HostGator offers a variety of plans tailored to different web hosting requirements. So take a moment to explore and choose the one that fits your needs and budget. Whether you're planning to build a personal blog, an online portfolio, or a full-scale e-commerce site, there's a plan for you. Once you've selected a plan, you can complete your account setup. After setting up your new account, you'll be ready to log in by following the same process we just covered. There you have it, a straightforward guide to logging into HostGator and getting started with your web hosting journey. Thanks for tuning in, and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials like this one.